Hi, my name is Stephani Prieto. I'm an attorney here at the Nieves Law Firm, and today we're going to be talking about whether a juvenile may be required to register as a sex offender. In California, a juvenile may be required to register as a sex offender, and it's dependent on whether they were tried as a juvenile or as an adult. If they're tried as an adult, then they are facing adult penalties, and so that means that dependent on which offense they're convicted of, they will be facing a certain registration requirement dependent on their tier level. Now, if they're tried as a juvenile, they have two requirements. First, the offense that they were convicted of has to be one that requires registration. Second, they had to have been sent and housed in a CDCR facility in order to be required to register upon release. It is important to note that as a juvenile and under the tiered system of California for registration, a juvenile's time period is shorter than that of an adult. So that means if a juvenile is found to fall under Tier 1, their registration requirement is only that of at least 5 years. Now, if the juvenile is found to be a Tier 2, then at least they need to register for 10 years. After those time periods are up, they are able to petition to the court in order to be relieved of their duty to register. Therefore, the answer to the question is yes, as a juvenile, you may be required to register as a sex offender, but you have to fall under the criteria that specifies that requirement, either being tried as an adult and being tried for a conviction that requires registration, or being tried as a juvenile and being housed in CDCR and being convicted of an offense that requires registration. If you have any sort of questions in regards to juvenile sex offense registry, or if you also are facing possibly a complaint that exposes you to registration circumstances, then please give us a call at the Nieves Law Firm so we can help you out with your questions.